everyone, welcome to Tech Perfect. In this video I'm gonna show you how to restore deleted videos from your Android phone. So you can easily restore deleted videos from your Android phone. Now I'll show some process, and don't skip this video, see my full video and subscribe to my channel. So let's start it. First of all, you need to access Google Play Store. Just click on Google Play Store. You can see this is my search bar. Now I'm gonna search here. So I'm gonna suggest this application. This application name is Deleted Videos Recovery App. So now I'm write it. Click on Deleted Videos Recovery App. First of all, install it. Click on Install. Now it will be processing. Now click on Open. So right now click on Let's Start It. Click on Allow. Right now is scanning. You can find those videos. You can find more videos. So you can see that my videos, and now I will restore it. Then if you want to restore it, so just click on Get Use This Video. Then click on Restore now. Then go to your file manager. Click on File Manager. Now you can see that this is my restore videos. So if you're new here in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. Thanks for watching my videos.